You've probably been hearing about GLP-1 everywhere, right? It sounds super sciencey, but it's not as complicated as it seems. Think of GLP-1 as your body's superstar manager. It helps control appetite and supports steady blood sugar. When you eat, your body releases it to say, hey, we're getting full here. It slows stomach emptying so that you feel satisfied longer, which means more control and more energy. This means that hunger does not get the chance to run the show. New research shows that food choices can support GLP-1. It's not just a magic pill, it's the fuel you give your body. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple week 1 grocery haul. Protein-packed, budget-friendly, and designed to keep muscle while losing fat. Keep watching to find out how to download a free grocery starter PDF bonus, and also watch this video to the end to find out how to get a done-for-you 12-week plan with exact protein targets and training tracks. Here's the simple way how to give your body the right fuel. Choose fiber-rich foods. Choose lean protein. Choose healthy fats. These digest slowly, keep fullness going, and support steady energy. Less battle, more happy dance. Your shopping cart isn't just metal on wheels, it's the first step to a healthier, happier you. What goes into your supermarket cart is very important. Anchor your cart with protein. It's the muscle preserver. Fill it with vibrant, wholesome foods, and you set yourself up for success. Processed sugar and refined carbs will cause a blood sugar roller coaster, and hunger rebounds. Stocking up on whole foods will make the reliance on willpower become less important. Here's what goes in mine every week. Chicken, eggs, yogurt or skyr, cottage cheese, tofu or tempeh and whey. Make the healthy choice the easy choice. You should pre-chop veggies, batch cook protein, and keep grab-and-go options ready. Load up on veggies, lean proteins, and high-fiber grains. Because when you're working with your body, you will walk like a champion. The bottom line is, GLP-1 helps manage hunger and energy. And it starts with what you put on your plate. So are you ready to shop like a pro? The most important key is to have a plan. Plan your meals for the week. Pick a few simple meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then write down the ingredients for each meal. This will not only save you time, but will also save you money and stress. It will also help you to avoid the snack aisle traps when you go food shopping. Now here is a very important tip. Shop the perimeter first because that's where fresh whole foods are located. Go for a mixture of fruits and vegetables like spinach, kale, bell peppers, broccoli, berries, and apples. Fiber and nutrients are GLP-1's best friends. Next, it is time to choose protein. When it comes to choosing protein, make sure to choose lean proteins like chicken breast, salmon, and cod. Protein will keep you full for hours. Now it's time to move to the inner aisles. This is where you will grab quinoa, brown rice, oats, whole grain bread, beans, and lentils. For healthy fats, choose avocados, nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These will slow digestion and boost fullness. You are now ready to shop for snacks. These are some examples of the snack items that you should grab. Plain Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and eggs. Yes, hard-boiled eggs can be eaten as snacks. These snacks allows you to snack smartly. Also shop for protein-packed and ready items. But ignore flashy claims. Flip the box and read the nutrition facts. Here's another very important tip. Make sure to check these two things. Make sure that added sugars are low and that fiber is high. Aim for at least 3 to 5 grams of fiber per serving. Watch for sneaky sugars in sauces, dressings, and flavored yogurts. Here are some pro tips. Buy in season and shop from the weekly flyer. Plan meals around what's on sale. It is okay to buy from the freezer. Frozen produce is nutritious and perfect for smoothies, soups, and stir-fries. Buy proteins in bulk and portion. Embrace plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. Don't overlook store brands, they have the same ingredients, just at a lower price. Sometimes the hardest part is creating the shopping list. So here's a simple starter list that you can build on. Start with produce, which includes spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, apples, berries, avocados. Next up, proteins, chicken breast, salmon, ground turkey, eggs, and tuna. Then dairy, plain Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and unsweetened almond milk. Now let's take a look at the list for the pantry items. Quinoa, brown rice, rolled oats, chickpeas, black beans, lentils, and whole grain crackers. Olive oil, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Now that you have an idea of how to structure your list and examples of what should be on it, here are some ideas of what to prepare for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast: oatmeal with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds, or scrambled eggs with spinach and sliced avocado. Lunch: a big salad with grilled chicken that includes tons of veggies, chickpeas, and a light olive oil vinaigrette. Dinner: salmon with roasted broccoli and a side of quinoa. A cozy lentil soup will also work as the side. Or a quick turkey stir-fry with peppers and onions over brown rice. If you are feeling like this is a lot to grasp, do not worry too much. You've got this. Just start with one thing. Add more veggies to dinner, swap a sugary latte for a protein smoothie. And remember to celebrate every small win. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about progress, not perfection. A GLP-1 friendly shopping cart sets the stage for a week of easy, healthy choices. Download the Grocery Starter PDF bonus by clicking the link in the description or via the link in the pinned comment in the comment section. Keep watching to the end to also find out how to get a done-for-you 12-week GLP-1 strength and nutrition companion plan with exact protein targets and training tracks. Always try to remember your why, which is more energy, more control, and being comfortable in your skin. Every healthy choice is self-care. Quick note, keep an eye out for my next video. GLP-1 meal prep, 3 high-protein recipes in 30 minutes, and another thing, remember that I'm your friend in the kitchen, not your doctor. If you're on GLP-1 meds or have concerns, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian, because the information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Also, remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, remember to keep an eye out for my next upcoming video and stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. I know that you found this video informative, informational, and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond extending outwards to touch and influence others, to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. As promised, here is how get the done-for-you 12-week GLP-1 strength and nutrition companion plan with exact protein targets and training tracks. It includes the Grocery Starter PDF bonus, Core and Pro tiers. Grab it via the link in the description or use the link that is in the pinned comment in the comment section.